cool off.
What's that?
I think it's the ice cream truck.
Let's check it out!
Ice cream, ice cream.
I want ice cream. And I'm sorry, some vanilla ice cream, please.
Okay, here you go. 1, 2, scoops of vanilla. Here's the first scoop. And here's the second scoop. That will be $12.
Yay!
6, 9, 12. That would be a total of $12.
Thank you. Okay guys, enjoy your ice cream. I'll go ahead now. Bye. I think something's wrong. Oh, we have a flat tire. This tire is really flat. Guys, can you help me out? I need to have this tire fixed. If you help me, I'll give you all the free ice cream you can eat.
Yes, we would love to help.
Great, thanks. I'll go ahead now, okay? Bye.
Ice cream! Who wants ice cream? Hi, Bug. What a lovely ice cream truck you have. Hi, Snowy. What can I get for you? Let's see. What flavor should I choose? I actually love apple flavor, but the last apple I had made me so sleepy and I slept for 10 days. I recommend then that you try our green flavored apple ice cream. Its refreshing taste will give you energy throughout the day. Sounds interesting. Okay, I'll have that. Okay, I'm gonna start making the waffles. I'm going to mold this Play-Doh to make a waffle. Next, I'll cut it in half. This is great! I love waffles with ice cream. Next, 1 scoop of green apple flavored ice cream. Let's add some whipped cream. Finish it with a cherry on top. Looks perfect. Here's your spoon. Enjoy, Snow White. Wow, this looks and smells amazing. I can't wait to try it. It tastes just like happiness. I would like to order 7 more for my 7 dwarf friends. That means I need 7 scoops of ice cream. bucks. Okay, let me count my money.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 5, 10, 15. That will be $30.
Thanks, Snow White. Please come again.
Ice cream! Who wants ice cream? Ice cream! Hi, Ariel. What can I get for you?
Oh, hello, Bug. Wow. So many fruity flavors of ice cream. And they all look so tempting. What do you recommend for a former mermaid like me?
Would you want to try our seaweed ice cream? It's our newest flavor.
I would love to try that. Can I get 3 scoops of seaweed ice cream, please? Okay, give me 2 minutes to prepare. First, I'll scoop out this ocean blue ice cream. Next are the mermaid slime balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. By the way, guys, these slime balls are actually mermaid oozos. I made them this morning. They are basically very squishy balls that are filled with glittery slime. They are so easy to make. Here's your seaweed ice cream, Ariel. I hope you like it. This is the first time I'm gonna try seaweed ice cream. How innovative of you, Bug.
That would be $20, Ariel.
Here's 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20.
Hi guys, I'm back. The wheel's ready fixed. How was your day? Did you guys earn a lot?
Yes, we earned $50.
Wow, that's a good job. That's really a good job. I want to make the 2 of you my employees.
I would like to be your employee. It's so fun working here.
Here are the keys to the ice cream truck. Now, since both of you work for me, you will be serving ice cream all over this neighborhood.
And I get to drive the nice truck.
And I get to serve the customers. Yay! Ice cream, one ice cream. Ice cream, one ice cream.
Wow, what's this? It looks yummy.
Hi, Moana. Do you want some ice cream?
Sure. Do you have any tropical flavors?
Why don't you try our coconut flavor?
That sounds perfect.
One coconut flavored coming up.
Oh! I can't pay you. I don't have any money. Do you guys accept coconuts?
Coconuts? Sure, no problem.
Great! Let me just get it. Huh? Here you go, Bug. I hope it's not too heavy for you.
This is heavier than my piggy bank. Thanks, Moana.
You're most welcome. I hope you like it. It's very fresh.
Enjoy your ice cream. Wow, that was fun! But before I end my show, I would like to give a shout out to Annie Lee or Crystal Rockstar, Evelyn Teo, Ginny, Princess, and Angela. Thank you for always leaving me wonderful comments. I love you guys!
Mwah, 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 mwah.